So this is the new super long robot arm. And I got this little controller. Just controls it. Like the left stick here moves the back part of the motor. And the right stick moves the front part. There we go. Woo. Okay. And then, you know, it goes like that. Yeah, it's... Oh, it's gonna make the cables right out. That's wacky. Okay. You see it's got enough strength. The steel cable. It's doing all the work here, holding that thing up. I got these pulleys, so it's kind of putting a lot of force on that back motor hub, and it's going to shear it straight off, I'm pretty sure, at some point. So, yeah.